Boom, hoorah, Al Smith here from Train Change Fitness, as well as the developer of the F2 training system. I'm about to put a beat down on the competition by showing you the latest addition to our equipment lineup so that once and for all, you can see what makes the F2 training system so much more innovative than the competition where all they do is just copy what we do instead of seeing the big picture. The latest addition is our new F2 handles. Looks simple and innocuous, right? Let's take a look. Let's break it down and see what we got. Hoorah! Now look, I know that you've already seen handles before because you've seen a lot of the imitators, the competition. They never know the entire scope, so they just copy the basics of it. So here is the entire big picture of what the F2 handles actually do. We'll start with the basic handle, screwing it in. This is what the patent is on, so that while they are duplicating it, what makes it unique is the multi-features that allow you to connect these F2 handles to the F2 bar. If you have an F2 bar, you can screw it right on in there, just like that, and this will extend your bar. Right now, I'm using the 17-inch F2 bar. Those of you that already have the F2 bar, you can do this as well. You know how they screw in together. And bam, you have the F2 bar. In this particular instance, I've added the black cap already. So that would be the F2 bar with one side. But what happens is, because of the uniqueness of these handles and the way they connect, the same handles are used to connect the resistance band hooks. Yes, you've seen the hooks as well, which competitors have also tried to imitate, but they didn't see the whole picture. So now you can use the same handles to create F2 resistance band handles. And of course, you have already seen the F2 grasp handles, and you have seen the F2 Olympic bars, but now with the Olympic bar, we have these smaller handles. Keeping in mind, these are all using the same basic handle. Imagine how much money that you'd be able to save by just using these same set of handles. Now with those handles, you can also create the F2 1-inch barbell adapters with our Ronin adapters. But here's one other new feature, our rotating eyelet. So you can connect this to your pulls as well if you want to use cable pulleys. So this is just going to be a quick introduction. I will make a formal video later, but this is showing you the new F2 handles and what makes them different from the imitators and why you will just save so much more money if you go with the F2 training system first instead of trying to follow these imitators that really don't know what's going on. Stay alert, stay alive, as I will be introducing more demonstrations for it. Hoorah, I'm out.